Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody's trying to use the capital A in Arial and put a star in the center of it like this for a logo for a customer. But when they do a couple of things like I do is put things in the center of the page, and then to make this A work, you'd have to go to Object and convert it to a curve to use the virtual segment delete key and delete that center. But what they're doing, so now you got that A in the center of the page, you draw a star and you put P, and it's not in the center of the A. You can see that this side is much closer than that side. I've seen this happen before, especially with Arial. It's not a perfect shape. So let's Control D and make a duplicate and then mirror it horizontally, and look, it's that far off. So if this is good enough, you just take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in, and now this is equal. And now we can left click, right click, and hit P, and now you see the star is equal in the middle. You could do this with almost any object. I would actually take a star and make it a little less fat so it's more traditional star, and maybe even make it a little bit smaller, holding down the Shift key to make it grow from the center. So it's still in the center. I would maybe hold down the Control button and lift it up a little bit. And then all you have to do is take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And now you have the letter A with a star in it, like a lot of people use in their logo. So I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.